Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another keychain flashlight review, this time from AceBeam. Now this here is their Keylite 500. Now I was sent this directly from AceBeam. They wanted me to feature it here on my channel. Comes in this box. Not really much here, so let's go ahead and get this open, see what's in it. Always nice to get lights from AceBeam. Been doing reviews for them for many years. Thought I saw a user manual down in there. Start off here with the user manual. Multi-language front and back. And there's the light chart there. Sorry about the shadow of my camera here, but as you can see, 500 lumens is the highest output. Now if you need more time to read those, go ahead and pause screen. We're going to move along. Multi-language product certification, letting them know that they've checked your light before it left the factory. Here's the little lanyard key ring. The USB Type-C charging cable. Now let's go ahead and get this light out of here. It's actually pretty nice. Orange is not my favorite color. Would have rather it had green. Smooth finish on here, and it's nice. Can table stand that if you need. Now here's the charging port with an actual metal cover on there. Let's take a look here at the special optics. They don't say what LEDs they're using. Going to be cool white. Very compact. Here's the side switch there. Style design on this is nice. Everything is going to square wedge designs. Pretty interesting. Growing on me though. Okay, well normally I would open it up and show you the insides, but it is a sealed unit. So now let's go ahead and go through the UI. UI is pretty straightforward. Have not charged it yet, but it's got a full battery there. Dual LED. Press down and hold to go up and down and down. 3 levels. You can do them individually if you want. Let's go ahead and go up to the highest output there. Take a look here at the beam. It does have a pretty large hotspot there. It's got a pretty good spill area. Nice beam performance on that. Now if you do want to get the special mode, I believe it's triple click. 1, 2, 3. We'll get you strobe. And that is a variable speed on the flash. And it is distracting. Click it one time, shuts it off. Again, on and off. Press down and hold to go through those light outputs. cool white. Does have memory mode. That's nice. And that's all there is to this light. Pretty straightforward, easy to operate this thing. 500 lumens is plenty of light for most applications, especially for a little keychain light. Charge it on the go. It's going to give you good run time on the lower light outputs. Definitely is a unique design. Well, let's wait no further. Let's take this little AceBeam out, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the little AceBeam. Let's start off on moonlight. Press and hold from off. We'll get that. Get you this one moonlight output here, as you can see. That's good there. And then now we're just going to go ahead and do turbo here. And then we'll go down from the UI there. Again, 138 feet. So you've got 140, maybe 145 feet usable. So that's impressive. Pan around here. It's not going to have a large amount of range. 65 feet here. Now we'll cycle down due to heat and battery level, of course. Now we're going to go ahead and go down from here. And still making that distance even on the highest of the UI. Thing is impressive. Wedge designs are extremely popular, growing on me as well. Now I have a link below my videos showing my testing area. Should you have any questions or doubts, check that link out. Shows you exactly how everything looks from the sky. Let's go down here to the next level down. Still got good light output. Now these lower light outputs, the battery's going to give you the better run time, which is plenty for a little keychain light. And we'll do one last one there. That's the lowest level. As you can see, it's still making 38 feet there. I think this is 10 lumens, if I remember correctly. There's the beam on the fence, give you an idea. Impressive. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Nice little beam performance on here. Not a huge amount of range, but for a keychain light, it's going to show a good range for it. Within 120, 130 feet usable, that is. I like the fact that these come in different colors. I got the orange here, as you can see. They come in, I think, quite a few other colors, but nice build quality overall. It does what it's supposed to do. Easy to operate this thing. USB charge it on the go. That's another huge plus. And the square design on this is definitely different than what I'm usually used to seeing for keychain lights. Easy to access the light if you need it. The lowest setting, forgot to show that to you, that's the lowest light output. It goes up and down from there. From off you get that lowest setting. but this thing here does well. The lanyard here with the key ring, not too sure. These have not always held up well, in my opinion. For me personally, I've had a couple other ones back in the day, and these little ropes finally just give out. You either lose it or you lose it in your pocket. USB charge this on the go. It's going to get scratched up with your keys if that's the way you carry it. You might be able to slide a little key ring on here and be able to use that. It'll be a little more sturdy in my opinion. Alright, well I want to thank AceBeam for sending me this Keylite 500 to review. Now if this is something you're interested in getting, I will leave a link down below this video, including a special discount code, and that'll help you save some money on this little keychain, just in case you're interested. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way we can bring more of these little Wedge AceBeam keychain lights to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care. Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness.